Hello, my name is Gabriel. I'm from Martinsburg, West Virginia. Just wanted to talk about LeafFilter. We found them at the Martinsburg, West Virginia town fair. I think it's a house. Every year they have like a house fair that we like to go to. It's actually our first time going, but we meant to go last year. We met them there. My wife actually saw them. I didn't really think much of it. We have a new house that's about 2 years old, and she knew that would be an issue for getting up into the gutters and cleaning them. And some of our house, part of our house is about 20 feet high, so I definitely can't get up there on my own. But we decided to go ahead and do a consultation, get a quote. They called it, I think within the next day or two. They had somebody come out, give us a quote. Everything went smoothly. The sales rep was very knowledgeable and had experience in selling LeafFilter, so we felt that confidence. Gave us a good price. We were financially not in a good position to do it at the moment, because it was just kind of a last spur of the moment thing. But they worked with us on the price, so we were really happy about that. We were able to figure out the finance part. They pretty much within a week or two they installed they came out and installed the leaf gutter. It's rained many times before that. We don't have a lot of trees, but I've been keeping an eye on the gutters. I can see the LeafFilter product from over the gutters from the higher level from the second story building house. So everything looks good. We're very happy with the product and warranty. There was a little trouble getting the warranty registered, but our sales rep helped us get that squared away. Sent us a confirmation, and everything is good. So far we've been very happy with LeafFilter.